Next entry, entry number 51, Presentacion National High School, Santa Maria, Presentacion Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff, Mikey C. Mendez, Troop Commander, John Paul Correo, Troop S1, Noah Moreno, Troop S2, Mark Jude Pinheiro, Troop S3, Francie Joshua Delenia, Troop S4, Major Leader, Angel May P. Indico, DXMC Leader, Louis J. Drio, MAPI Company Commander, Ivan Jacob Aguilar, MAPI Company XO, Bernard Jake D. Pisimo, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Ivan Tofer Billete, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Precious May Core, Schoolhead, Guillermo Do Ojenyar, CTP MAPI Facilitator, William C. Barrios, Majors Coordinator, Edgar V. Pinheiro, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Abigail Faith Bracero, Elray Mins MAPI Boys Facilitator, Jennifer R. Galag, MAPE Girls Facilitator, Angelica P. Indico, Assistant Major Coordinator, Romilly Arminion, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Entry number 51, Presentacion National High School, Santa Maria, Presentacion Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 51, Presentacion National High School, Presentacion Camarines Sur. Entry number 57, Moises D. Fernandez Senior Pioneer High School Incorporated, Santa Maria, Presentacion Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff, Bobby Anthony L. Butak, Troop Commander, Carlo R. Culis, Troop S1, Rex Matos, Troop S2, John Mark V. Bombales, Troop S3, Johnson Pisimo, Troop S4, Major Leader, Achia Gorobat, DXMC Leader, Angeli Rose Montero, MAPI Company Commander, Jerim Core, MAPI Company XO, Mike Istadilla, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Derek L. Fernandez, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Eloisa May P. Alfon, Schoolhead, Arsinia P. Fernandez, CTP MAPI Facilitator, Anthony N. Malyare, Majors Coordinator, Chesa May D. Favor, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Lalin P. Nabus. Entry number 57, Moises D. Fernandez Senior Pioneer High School Incorporated, Santa Maria, Presentacion Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 57, Moises D. Fernandez Senior Pioneer High School Incorporated, Presentacion Camarines Sur.